Why Swift and Kotlin remain essential for success. Mobile development in 2026 is entering a new phase. As operating systems become more intelligent, hardware becomes more specialized, and user expectations continue to rise, one reality is becoming increasingly clear. Swift and Kotlin remain the foundation of successful mobile applications. For years, the industry embraced the promise of write once, run anywhere. The idea sounded attractive. A single codebase could power applications across multiple platforms, reducing development effort and accelerating release cycles. However, the reality has often been very different. Many enterprise applications that adopted cross-platform frameworks are now facing significant technical debt. Every abstraction layer added between the application and the operating system introduces complexity. Over time, these layers become difficult to maintain, difficult to optimize, and increasingly expensive to adapt to new platform capabilities. What initially appeared to be a shortcut often evolved into a long-term maintenance burden. Teams now spend substantial resources fixing platform-specific issues, managing compatibility updates, and addressing performance bottlenecks created by abstraction rather than business logic. This challenge becomes even more apparent when examining the latest mobile operating systems. Current cross-platform frameworks continue to struggle with the newest kernel-level optimizations introduced in iOS 19 and Android 17. These operating systems are increasingly designed to leverage hardware-aware scheduling, advanced memory management, AI acceleration, and energy-efficient execution paths. Because cross-platform frameworks operate through intermediary layers, they often cannot immediately access or fully exploit these low-level improvements. Native applications, on the other hand, gain direct access to these enhancements from day one. This creates a clear transition from the overhead of abstraction to the surgical precision of native execution. Native applications communicate directly with the operating system, eliminating unnecessary translation layers. Every interaction becomes faster, more predictable, and more efficient. The result is lower latency, reduced resource consumption, and better overall scalability. This advantage becomes even more significant in the era of on-device artificial intelligence. Swift and Kotlin provide immediate access to the newest neural engines and NPU capabilities integrated into modern mobile chipsets. As AI workloads increasingly move from the cloud to the device itself, developers need direct access to machine learning accelerators for inference, personalization, computer vision, and real-time decision-making. Native development allows applications to leverage these capabilities without waiting for framework vendors to expose new APIs or implement compatibility layers. The newest hardware features become available as soon as the operating system releases them. The difference is equally visible in hardware-intensive features such as biometrics and advanced haptics. Native drivers communicate directly with hardware components. Cross-platform frameworks typically rely on bridge-based communication, where commands must travel through additional layers before reaching the hardware. Every bridge introduces latency. When users authenticate with facial recognition, interact with fingerprint sensors, or experience precision haptic feedback, native implementations consistently deliver faster response times and greater reliability. But modern mobile applications require more than hardware access. They also demand massive parallel processing capabilities. Applications today handle AI workloads, background synchronization, media processing, encryption, analytics, and real-time communication simultaneously. Efficient concurrency is no longer optional. This is where Swift and Kotlin demonstrate one of their most important advantages. Swift's actor model provides a modern approach to concurrency by isolating mutable state and preventing unsafe access across multiple execution contexts. Kotlin's refined coroutine system offers lightweight asynchronous programming with exceptional control over task scheduling and resource utilization. Together, these technologies dramatically reduce the race conditions and synchronization problems commonly found in bloated hybrid wrappers and heavily abstracted architectures. The result is safer code, more predictable behavior, and significantly improved scalability. Performance benchmarks throughout 2026 continue to demonstrate the benefits of native execution under heavy workloads. In stress testing scenarios involving intensive background processing, large data synchronization tasks, and real-time user interactions, native threading models consistently outperform cross-platform memory management systems by as much as 40%. These gains are not simply technical achievements, they directly affect user experience. The most visible example appears on modern high refresh rate displays. Today's flagship devices increasingly operate at 120 Hz and beyond. Users expect smooth animations, instantaneous responses, and flawless interactions throughout the application. Maintaining a consistent 120 frames per second during complex view transitions requires direct integration with platform rendering pipelines. Native UI frameworks are specifically engineered for these environments. Cross-platform frameworks frequently struggle when animations become complex, when views update rapidly, or when hardware acceleration must be precisely coordinated across multiple system layers. Native frameworks provide the control necessary to sustain fluid motion without dropped frames, visual stuttering, or responsiveness issues. This leads to another challenge facing generic cross-platform solutions. Modern design languages are evolving faster than ever. Each platform introduces unique interaction models, visual behaviors, accessibility improvements, and interface standards. Generic components are designed to work everywhere, which often means they cannot fully embrace the newest platform-specific innovations anywhere. As a result, developers frequently spend significant effort recreating native behaviors manually, ultimately undermining the original promise of development efficiency. Native frameworks remove this limitation entirely. Developers can immediately adopt the latest platform features, maintain visual consistency with operating system standards, and deliver experiences that feel truly integrated into the ecosystem. Visual excellence then connects directly to long-term business value. Applications that feel faster, smoother, and more responsive consistently achieve stronger user engagement, higher retention rates, and better customer satisfaction. Beyond user experience, native development also creates substantial long-term cost savings. Because Swift and Kotlin are maintained alongside their respective platforms, operating system updates are generally easier to adopt. New AP is become available immediately. Performance optimizations arrive naturally. Maintenance overhead remains lower because developers are not dependent on third-party abstraction layers catching up with platform evolution. Over multiple years, these advantages compound into reduced technical debt, lower maintenance costs, and faster integration of future operating system capabilities. This helps explain why many of the world's top-tier mobile applications remain predominantly native. The reason is not tradition. The reason is performance. Performance influences retention. Performance influences engagement. Performance influences user satisfaction. And ultimately, performance influences revenue. In a competitive mobile ecosystem, performance is not merely a technical metric. It is a business advantage. As we look toward 2027 and beyond, the direction of mobile development becomes increasingly clear. Artificial intelligence, specialized hardware, advanced concurrency, high refresh rate interfaces, and rapidly evolving operating systems all reward deep platform integration. Swift and Kotlin provide that integration. They offer direct hardware access, modern concurrency models, superior UI performance, immediate adoption of new platform features, and sustainable long-term architecture. For organizations building the next generation of mobile experiences, Swift and Kotlin are no longer simply programming languages. They are the indispensable pillars of mobile architecture designed for the future. If you found this breakdown valuable, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more insights on mobile development, software architecture, and emerging technology trends. What do you think will define mobile app success in 2027, AI, performance, or user experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below.